searching for simple and affordable bed coverage for your 2007 through 2013 Silverado or Sierra 1500, this TruShield locking roll-up tonneau cover is one you should be checking out. Now, this is great if you want to close off the bed space with an uncomplicated system that will protect the inside of your bed from bad weather and will even offer some lighter security for a soft cover thanks to the lockable nature. Now, it also just makes the back look much more finished, and even though it is a soft option, the construction offers a taut and supported fit, so you do get a good look for the back. I do want to note that this does have two choices for specific bed size options, including a 5.8-foot short box choice and a 6.5-foot standard box option, so just make sure that you're getting the right one for your truck. Now, this comes with a rolling operation, which is simple in concept, opening up and closing very easily with heavy-duty plastic inserts that go right into the sides of the rail here. Now, while it may take an extra minute to open up the cover, this is one of the most low-profile choices while open and allows you to utilize the entire bed space without compromising your visibility, which is something that you don't get with every other option, especially with trifold or retractable choices. Now, this includes HD straps and buckles. As you can see here, it's keeping this together, which secures this on the back, and they are adjustable, so you can have some peace of mind that this is going to stay in place while you're driving even at higher speeds. Now, when closed off, however, this again offers tough protection for a soft cover thanks to the weatherproof material and the thick seals on the undersides of these bed rails here, as well as lighter security thanks to the locking nature with the tailgate and solid support with the addition of these support bars to reduce any puddling and offer a more structured appearance to the cover. This soft cover is made of a marine grade black vinyl that comes in a textured grain finish, and it's completely weather resistant and resistant to UV damage over time. Now, supporting the vinyl underneath on each side, these will be black epoxy coated aircraft grade aluminum frame rails, which offer good structure out of the cover to keep its shape, in addition to these puddle bars here. Now, the rest of the cover keeps it super simple with foam and rubber seals on the side to protect the rails from any weather or any water trying to get into the bed area, and it does have heavy-duty clamps in the kit to ensure a proper and secure fit. This cover comes in at about $250 and is one of the most affordable choices for bed protection on the page. Now, what I will say is that this is an entry-level choice, and it's as simple as you can get when it comes to a build, which is really great for the Silverado and Sierra owners that want a cover that's not going to cost them much, but will provide the function that they need to cover the bed efficiently. Now, this does exactly that, and while it doesn't carry some of the most security like a hard cover or a super quick operation like a retractable choice, it does get the job done of protecting your cargo and finishing the back at a fraction of the price compared to other choices, and it's made with quality material, so you can have some peace of mind that this is going to hold up even at an affordable price point. Install is super simple at a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and since there is minimal hardware, this should only take an hour to complete the install. Now, at this point, I'm going to hand it over to one of our installers here. They're going to show you a detailed breakdown on how you can get all of this installed on your Sierra or Silverado at home. So that wraps it up for what I have to say. Let's go ahead and get into the install.
Tools required for this install include a ratchet and a 5mm Allen socket. What's up, guys? Today we're installing a tonneau cover on our Silverado, so let's get started. So the first thing I've done is laid out all of our pieces. I've got our tonneau cover on the bulkhead here and my side rail. We're going to be sliding the side rail onto this nub on the tonneau cover, and then we have a screw that we're going to screw in to put pressure on that to hold it in place. So we've got a slot in our rail that's going to match up here. So we're just going to slide that all the way in. I'm going to pinch it together while I twist this knob. And then do that same thing on the other side. Now, before we get our clamps installed, I'm going to install our crossbars. Now, you have either an F, M, or R sticker on them for front, middle, and rear. Now we've got these feet, they're just going to click into the slot in the side rail. I'm gonna get these in first, just because it'll help us with our spacing and know where to put our clamps. So I'm gonna get it in on one side, and then I'm just gonna pull it back until I can slide it in. Put it down into place. That one's locked in. We'll just do that for the other two as well. So now we're ready to install our clamps. So we've got this notch up here that's gonna sit around this lip on our rail, and then this part is gonna go underneath of the bedside. So I'll angle it in just like that. I'm gonna put this as far towards the back as I possibly can. And then I'm gonna take a 5mm Allen socket and tighten it down. And then we have two more clamps on this side to install. So I'm gonna throw one here and then one as far forward as I can. And then repeat that process on the other side. So that'll wrap up this review and install of the TruShield locking roll-up tonneau cover for your 2007 to 13 Silverado and Sierra 1500 with 5.8 foot short and 6.5 foot standard box. Thank you for watching, and for all things Silverado, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.